Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Snowflake Worksheets, run SQL queries online step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Snowflake login page. Enter your account name in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. Input your username and password in the respective fields. Select the Sign-in option to access your account. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Snowflake interface. Locate the Worksheets tab on the top menu. Click on the Worksheets tab to open it. In the Worksheets section, click on the Create button. A new worksheet will appear for you to enter your SQL queries. Type your desired SQL query into the provided text area. To execute your query, click the Run button located at the top. Review the results displayed in the Output section below your query. If needed, you can modify your SQL query. Rerun the query by clicking on the Run button again. To save your worksheet, click the Save button and give it a name. You can access saved worksheets later from the same Worksheets tab. Now you have successfully logged in and run SQL queries online in Snowflake. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.